voice, there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
Not too long ago, iQOO revealed that it was going to release its premium flagship with Snapdragon 865 SoC and 5G support. Just ahead of its launch on February 25th, various reports have revealed the key specifications and price of the iQOO 3. iQOO India Director Gagan Arora has also separately confirmed that the phone will be powered by Snapdragon 865 SoC. Arora took to Twitter to confirm that the iQOO 3 will be powered by the Snapdragon 865 SoC. He was also mentioned that both 4G and 5G models of the iQOO 3 will be released. The company is also teasing monster touch buttons on the side panel for gaming, an ultra game mode, and a new 180Hz touch response rate. A fresh report from 91 Mobile suggests that the iQOO 3 will be priced under $630, rupees 45,000 in India. The 4G variant is reported to be priced at around $490, rupees 35,000, whereas the 5G model should be priced at around $560, rupees 40,000. The report says that the phone will be made available offline as well, apart from Flipkart. Furthermore, multiple photos of the iQOO 3 have surfaced on VIVO. These photos seem to be taken at a private event, and it reveals the design of the phone from the front and back. It can also be seen that the phone will be launched in Volcano Orange, Tornado Black, and Quantum Silver color options. The quad cameras reside at the back, while there's a hole punch display up front with the selfie camera cutout placed on the top right of the screen. The key specifications of the iQOO 3 can also be seen in one of the photo, and the phone is listed to sport a polar view display with a Super AMOLED panel. It is also mentioned to pack LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. There's going to be a 4400 mAh battery with 55-watt super flash charge, and a HiFi AK4377 APA amplifier as well. Lastly, the Volcano Orange color option of the phone has popped up in separate renders, and it is seen that the orange matte back panel finish will be covered by black dots all over the surface. These renders also reveal a 3.5mm audio jack on top, an orange-colored power button on the side.
So that's it for this video. If you guys enjoy tech leak and rumors, then make sure to hit that subscribe button below, because I upload such video regularly. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.